Camping is a timeless adventure, providing an opportunity to reconnect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. To ensure an unforgettable outdoor experience, having the right gear is crucial. This comprehensive guide explores the best camping gear across various categories, guaranteeing that you're fully equipped for your next expedition into the wilderness. Hello, fellow adventurers and enthusiasts! Welcome to the exciting universe of Travel 195, where discovery knows no bounds. Join us on an extraordinary journey to explore the beauty of all 195 countries that adorn our remarkable planet. Plus, an amazing opportunity awaits you. Simply follow the link below to explore Travel 195's free documentation guide, carefully crafted to simplify your travel preparations. Bid farewell to uncertainties and immigration worries and embrace a world of meticulously planned adventures. Come along as we turn every travel dream into a reality. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a novice explorer, possessing the right tools can transform a simple trip into an extraordinary escapade. From reliable tents and sleeping bags for restful nights under the stars to efficient camp kitchens for delightful outdoor meals, we'll cover essential gear that elevates your camping experience. So gear up and immerse yourself in the world of outdoor exploration, where nature becomes your playground and each camping trip becomes a memorable adventure. So without further ado, here is the list of the best camping gear for 2023. Let's begin at number 8. Tents, your outdoor shelter. Choosing the perfect tent is akin to selecting a sidekick for your camping escapade. A decision not to be taken lightly, but let's keep it breezy, shall we? Picture the market as a vibrant tent carnival ready to cater to every camper's fancy. Flying solo or with a snug duo? Meet the Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL2, your feather-light, comfort-laden superhero here to save the day. Now, for the family-sized camping extravaganza, behold the REI Kingdom 6, a capacious tent that's practically the VIP suite of the great outdoors, accommodating everyone and perhaps even the neighbor's dog, because who says tents can't be generous hosts? When it comes to tents, it's not just about shelter, it's about finding your camping confidant, your BFF in the wild. And as we all know, BFFs come in a delightful array of shapes and sizes. So whether you're a solo explorer or a ringleader of the family camping circus, there's a tent waiting to be your partner in outdoor adventures. Number 7. Sleeping bags and pads. Cozy nights under the stars. Ensuring a restful night under the stars is paramount for a delightful camping venture. Invest wisely in a top-notch sleeping bag tailored to your destination's climate for a cozy slumber. When the chill sets in, the North Face Furnace 20 sleeping bag stands out, offering stellar insulation to keep you warm. Enhance your nocturnal comfort with the Thermarest Neo Air X-Therm sleeping pad, providing optimal warmth and cushioning. These camping companions are the recipe for a sleep setup that doesn't just meet but exceeds the expectations of even the most discerning campers. So when the night falls and the wilderness whispers its lullabies, rest assured that your sleeping gear has your back. Or rather, your whole body, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the adventures of a new day. Number 6. Camp kitchen, fueling your adventure. A properly stocked camp kitchen is the secret ingredient for crafting delectable meals amidst the grandeur of the outdoors. Optimize your culinary adventures with the Jetboil Flash Cooking System, an ideal companion for swift and efficient boiling. Alternatively, the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cook Set elevates your cooking experience, presenting a well-rounded assortment of pots, pans, and utensils for versatile culinary creations. And of course, no outdoor kitchen is complete without a portable coffee maestro like the AeroPress, ensuring a robust caffeine infusion to kickstart your day. These culinary allies transform the campsite into a gourmet haven, where the sizzle of a pan and the aroma of coffee blend seamlessly with the symphony of nature, creating a camping experience that's not just about the adventure, but also the joy of relishing a well-cooked meal under the open sky. Number 5. Portable lighting. Illuminate the night. As the sun bids adieu, reliable lighting becomes an absolute necessity for your nocturnal escapades. Illuminate your path with headlamps like the Black Diamond Spot, delivering hands-free brilliance for all your nighttime activities. Alternatively, embrace eco-friendly and portable lighting solutions with the inflatable Lucy solar lights, adding a touch of sustainability to your nocturnal adventures. For an extra dose of visibility, consider packing a compact powerhouse like the Goal Zero Torch 250 flashlight, ensuring you're not just navigating the dark, but doing so with an illuminating flare. These lighting companions are the unsung heroes of your nighttime sojourns, casting a glow on your path and infusing the night with a sense of enchantment. Whether you're embarking on a moonlit hike or setting up camp under the stars, these illuminating choices ensure your nighttime ventures are nothing short of captivating. Number 4. Backpacks. Carry your world on your shoulders. Picking the perfect backpack is like choosing a sidekick for your journey. You want a reliable companion, not a drama queen. For those jaunty day hikes, the Osprey Atmos AG65 steps in with ventilation so cool it's practically Mother Nature's air conditioning. Now, if your adventure involves a more extended script, cue the Gregory Baltoro 65. Spacious, organized, and ready to carry the weight, literally. Remember to outfit your backpack with a rain cover. After all, unexpected showers are the uninvited guests of camping. Because, let's face it, a backpack without a rain cover is like a superhero without a cape. Functional, but you'd rather have the flair. So gear up, choose wisely, and let your backpack be the unsung hero of your outdoor escapades, with a touch of style and a sprinkle of dry humor. Number 3. Outdoor apparel. Dressing for success. Ensuring comfort in diverse weather conditions demands the right outdoor attire. Invest in moisture-wicking base layers, such as those offered by Patagonia or Smartwool, to banish pesky sweat. Layering takes center stage, making a versatile and insulated jacket like the Arc'teryx Atom LT hoodie indispensable for maintaining warmth. And let's not overlook the necessity of waterproof and breathable outer layers, exemplified by the Columbia OutDry X Eco Shell, ensuring you stay dry during those unexpected downpours. Think of your outdoor apparel as a strategic armor against nature's whims. From battling the sweat to outsmarting the rain, it's your sartorial shield for conquering the elements. So, gear up in style, stay cozy, and let your outfit be the envy of both the trail and the runway on your outdoor runway. Number 2. Footwear. Tread lightly, explore widely. Securing a dependable pair of hiking boots is akin to acquiring your golden ticket for comfortable exploration across diverse terrains. Brands such as Salomon and Merrell present an array of options tailored to various preferences and conditions, ensuring your feet are well supported on every adventure. The cardinal rule for boot bliss: ensure a snug fit and break them in before your expedition, sparing yourself the unwelcome companionship of blisters and discomfort. Think of your hiking boots as trusty steeds for your feet, ready to conquer rocky trails and forested paths with the resilience and reliability they deserve. So, lace up, break in, and let your boots be the unsung heroes of your hiking saga, offering not just comfort, but the steadfast companionship your feet deserve on the scenic trails of your exploration. Number 1. Navigation tools. Find your way. Surviving the wilderness is a bit trickier than maneuvering through a sea of emojis on your smartphone. Enter the indispensable Suunto M3 Global Compass, your analog GPS, ensuring you don't end up auditioning for a real-life survival show. For those who prefer a touch of digital wizardry, say hello to the Garmin GPS Map 60 Forest, the James Bond of navigation devices, guiding you through uncharted territories like a secret agent on a mission. Because in the wild, getting lost is only fun if it's a metaphor for finding yourself. So whether you're armed with a classic compass or a tech-savvy GPS, let the navigation games begin. Just remember, Mother Nature doesn't do software updates, so choose your sidekick wisely and may your path be as clear as the punchline in a good joke. Efficiently packing and carrying your travel gear is essential for a smooth and enjoyable journey. Here are some tips to help you make the most of your packing and traveling experience. Start with a packing list. Begin by creating a detailed packing list. This will help you prioritize and ensure you don't forget any essential items. Choose the right luggage. Select luggage that suits your travel needs. Consider the duration of your trip, the type of activities you'll engage in, and the mode of transportation. Opt for durable, lightweight luggage with sufficient compartments. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them can save space and reduce wrinkles. This packing technique also allows for better visibility of your items within the luggage. Pack essentials in carry-on. Place important documents, medications, a change of clothes, and valuables in your carry-on bag. This ensures you have the essentials in case your checked luggage is delayed or lost. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes are a game changer for organization. Categorize your clothing and accessories into these compact cubes to easily locate items and maximize space. Consider the climate. Pack clothing suitable for the destination's climate. Check the weather forecast beforehand to ensure you're adequately prepared. Limit shoe options. Shoes can be heavy and take up valuable space. Limit the number of pairs you bring and choose versatile options that complement various outfits. Pack multifunctional items. Opt for multifunctional items such as a scarf that can double as a blanket or a versatile jacket suitable for different weather conditions. Weigh your luggage. Check the weight restrictions for your mode of transportation and ensure your luggage complies. Invest in a portable luggage scale to avoid surprises at the airport. Secure liquids. Place toiletries in a sealed plastic bag to prevent leaks. Consider investing in travel-sized containers for your liquids. If our roundup of top-notch camping gear has piqued your interest and kindled a spark for remarkable outdoor experiences, brace yourself for an exciting journey. Immerse yourself in our channel where a treasure trove of enthralling videos beckons. Click this link to explore a multitude of thrilling adventures, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We're genuinely excited to hear about the unforgettable escapades you're about to embark on, so drop your stories in the comment section. Here's to safe and joyous travels!